So the Amazon sale pretty much came to an end, and if you missed the chance on grabbing some good dash cams and grabbing some good deals, well, here's the good news for you. So these are some of the best dash cameras which I've reviewed on my channel, and these are basically the review units which I receive, and these are available for sale with some biggest discounts. So if you are interested in getting a dash cam for your car and you want to keep the budget low, you want to get the best price for a brand new dash cam, well, these review units will be the most suitable for you. So just click down on the description of this video. I've provided you the full list of all the cameras that are available along with all the prices these actually come at. So you can go ahead and check out the list, and if you are interested in grabbing any one of the review units of these dash cameras, you can DM me on my Instagram or the Facebook page. I've given you the links for the Instagram and the Facebook page also in the description, and we can work out something. So go ahead, check out the description and DM me on my Instagram or the Facebook page if you want to grab any one of the premium dash cameras, any one of the cameras which I have shown you in the list. So if you did miss out the chance on grabbing any one of the cameras with discounted prices in the Republic Day sale, now would be the best time to go ahead and grab any one of these. See you in the next one.